Hello everyone. So welcome to a new video of Before Tying a Knot. This is a pre-marriage coaching video series. I am Dr. Maithili Sawan, your relationship coach and your friend. So in the last video I gave you one homework. You had to write down few things about you from your perspective, from your parents' perspective, from your friend and colleagues' perspective. So you have gathered all that data, I'm sure about it. So in today's session, what you are going to learn is about the value system. I told you last time. So the data which you have gathered so far, I want you to come up with certain words or few words which you feel that defines you, and that is exactly is your nature. So let me give you one example. If you ask me to write all these things, then I might write that I am open-minded person and I accept people from all walks of life, from my parents, then my colleagues and my friends' perspective. They might say that Maithili is very open and free person, and she is non-judgmental and she accepts people easily. So what is my value out of all this data is I am open-minded person, and that is the word which I think represents me, and that is my nature, and that defines me. So how this value system is formed? So while growing up, we learn these values from our experiences in life, and we kind of borrow these values from our parents, teachers and friends and relatives. Okay. So for example, while growing up, I have always seen my parents helping other people, and my mother was professionally a nurse and she always helped people. I have seen her helping her patients. So that is the value system I liked, and I borrowed it from her. And helping and kindness and contribution is also one of my topmost value system in life. So that's how the value system is formed. So the value system which we develop during our childhood stays pretty much same throughout the life. Only if any defining moment happens in your life, then there's a lot of possibility of changing your value system, or only if you willingly want to change it. If you feel that your certain value is not helping you to achieve something in life, then you can change your value system. So that is how you can change your value system voluntarily. So let me give you one example. I had one of my client. So she came from a very rich family, but during her teens, her father and mother got divorced, and that was the toughest time in her life. Her mother had to work for living, and her father got married to somebody else, and all the other relatives refused to help them. So her mother was the only one who was taking care of her and her younger brother. So that was the most difficult time in her life, and that time what value system she adopted is money is very important. Secondly, her mother always used to curse her father. So and she always used to tell her that men are not good, they are mean. So what value systems she developed is men are mean. And unfortunately, during those times, one of her uncle tried to abuse her. So that was also a difficult moment in her life. So she wrote one value system in her mind that men are mean. So all men are mean. Because of that value system, she had issues finding a correct person in her life. Because whenever she used to meet a guy, what value system used to pop up? That all men are mean. So that value system was, stopping her from getting what she want in her life. So finally, when during the pre-marriage coaching session, when she understood about this value system, then she said, no, I must change this value system, and then we worked upon it. She worked upon it, of course. So that is very important. The moral of the story is value system is very important, because value system is like it is a filter through which you are looking to the world. Okay, so whatever your value system is, you will perceive the world according to your value system. If I feel that my values are love and helping others and open mindedness, then I will perceive world the way I think it is. I will think that all the people in the world are really nice, and world is nice, and people are kind and helpful and open minded, because it is my value system and I am seeing world through my value system. So therefore I want you to come up with these few words which defines your value system, which defines you, and then you think about those values and how these values are helping you to grow up in life, and what are the values which are actually limiting you from achieving your Mr. Perfect or Miss Perfect. So today's homework is, I want you to sit down in a quiet place and think for yourself what is your value system, and how your value system is helping you to achieve things in your life, or your value system is limiting you from achieving those things in your life. So I want you to find out. That is your homework for today. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.